Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My today's topic is a sin that I sabi make semovita. Here I have my semovita here that I want to make. No, semovita is an easier way, but it's hard for some people to make how to turn it semovita. It's very easy for me. Some mix their own inside cold water before they will started turning it, but my own I make it direct. So is it a sin that sabi make semovita? That is the title. So I will open the semo now. You can see the packet already put water on the fire boiling. I will not mix it inside cold water because I want to do it direct. So let's go to the fire and start making our semovita. So guys can see, now put my semo inside the water. Allow the water to boil before you do it. It's very simple something, but some people find it very difficult to do it. So when you put it, don't put too much, so it's okay. Then you hold your knife in and turn it. No need of you to mix it with cold water, because that one, if you don't know how to do it, the two will not done very well. So after you do it like this, you now, if you do it like this, add little water, then you allow it to done before you bring it down for fire. So you turn it. You allow it to done very well so that the tea will not turn your stomach. See? See. So now off the light. So you use your fin to wrap it. If you are not eating it immediately, see, you use your fin to wrap it and make your soup, either ogbono soup or vegetable soup or white soup, any soup that you want to use it. Then, so guys can see it. So is it a sin that I sabi make semovita? It's a very simple something, it's not hard. So you just put your water in the fire, allow the water boil. Take your semo and turn it. Don't use cold water before you make your semo. If you don't know how to use the cold water well, if you turn it, the thing will not come out fine, unless if you know how to turn it fast so that you get it. But if you allow the water boil, they put it small, the turn, and before you know, your food is set, and make your soup and eat it. So that is all for semovita. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and comment, share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye.